Hey everyone, Cody here, and this is video number 7 in the How to Build a Builderall website video tutorial series. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to find royalty-free images for your Builderall website. So the first website I like to go to is called Pixabay. So we go ahead and go to the search. Okay. And right now we're building out an animal clinic website. It's pretty much a veterinary website. So what I want to do is I want to type in veterinarian, if I can spell. And it's going to pop up some of these images. And what we want to do is just find one that maybe pertains to our website a little better than others. So I want to find some, how about this cat one, or this dog one. So we're going to click. And what you want to make sure of is that under the license, Pixabay license, it says free for commercial use and no attribution required. This is important because if you want to put an image on your website, you have to find the correct license. And this is what's known as a Creative Commons Zero license. And while it is free and you can use it for commercial use and you don't have to attribute the author, it's always nice to offer them a tip. So under here it says coffee. That's pretty much like a coffee tip. So maybe like $2 or $3 or $5 would be great. It's really appreciated because these artists take images and they put them up for free. But give them a tip now and then. It allows them to continue what they do. At the very least, you should probably add a comment. Let them know that you appreciate the image. So I'm gonna do that just now. So I'm gonna type in this. I'm gonna type in thank you very much for the great image. I'm going to submit. And there we go. We have our message here, thanking them for the image. So we want to put this on our website, and we've already established that the author is okay with us using it for commercial use. So we want to left click. Actually, we want to right click. Sorry about that. You want to choose our size. So the image isn't going to be very big on our website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the 640 by 427 pixels. I'm going to right click again. Save link as. And I'll put it in my images. Name this cat image. Under pictures. And save. It's going to download that image. And let's go back and find another one. And let's see. Try to find one. There we go, right here. Okay. We notice the license is the same. You have to pay attention because sometimes it will say not for commercial use or attribution is required. So just make sure this is up to standards as far as the Creative Commons Zero license goes. Okay, as you can see, people have already commented, so I'm going to also thank them for the image. For the great, amazing image. Go ahead and submit that. Okay. Now we're also going to go over here like we usually do. Right click. Pick the small one because it's for our website, so we don't need a large picture. Right click again. Save link as. That way we can choose where it goes. It says dog image. And click save. Okay. And another website you can go to for royalty-free images is a website called Pexels. Free stock photos. And you can do the same thing as this website. You can go ahead and choose what image you want, type in the keyword, and it'll bring up some images that you can use on your website for free as well. So thank you very much for watching this video. Again, this is a short video. Just want to show you where you get images and how to download them. If you have any questions or comments or video topics you'd like me to discuss, you can place a comment down in the comment section below. Also, if you'd like a $1 30-day free 30-day trial for $1 to Builderall, the link is down in the description as well. It's an affiliate link. So thank you very much for watching the video. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a good day.